Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make s'mores pie. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 1 cup of unsalted butter softened, so that's 2 sticks, 1 cup of sugar, 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, and 2 cups of graham cracker crumbs. I have those combined already, as you can see. That was 2 sleeves of graham crackers, got me the 2 cups of graham cracker crumbs. 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 cup of marshmallow fluff or cream, and then you need 2 cups of some kind of chocolate chips. I'm using semi-sweet chocolate chips, and I thought I'd use a little bit of white chocolate chips. And then 1.5 cups of mini marshmallows. So let's go ahead and get started. You also need some kind of pie pan. So I'm using this 9-inch pie pan, and then we are going to go ahead and preheat our oven to 350 and spray this generously with cooking spray. In a large bowl, I have my 2 sticks of butter and 1 cup of sugar, and I'm going to beat that with an electric mixer until it's combined, so probably about 2 minutes on medium. Now we need to beat in our 2 eggs and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract until it's combined. That looks good. So in another large bowl, we are going to whisk our graham cracker crumbs, our flour, and our baking powder until it is combined. Now we are going to gradually add our dry to our wet ingredients and just mix it to combine. Alright, I did as much as I could with my mixer, and then I just used my spatula. And I know this is a lot of dough, but we are going to put some of it on top. So we're just going to right now take half of this and spread it out into our prepared pie pan. That looks pretty good to me. I just went ahead and pressed it in as best I could and up the sides. You want to make sure you put it up the sides. So now I'm going to get this marshmallow fluff, and I'm going to just pop it in the microwave for about 10 seconds because I'm going to pour the entire thing on top of my pie crust. I'm not sure if that's 1 cup, but I'm going to use the whole thing. That looks great. I just went ahead and spread that, and popping it in the microwave for that 10 seconds just made it a lot easier to spread. So now we are going to add our chocolate chips over top. That looks amazing already. So now we are going to sprinkle 1 cup of mini marshmallows onto our chocolate chips. All right, that is looking pretty full, but now it's time to take our remaining dough and press it over top of all of this. Okay, I added the rest of my marshmallows to the top of my crust. You can see that is like a heaping crust there. And if you have leftover chocolate chips, which I used all mine in the middle, I didn't have any, so you could add those too. So now we are going to get this into the oven at 350 for 35 to 45 minutes until it's golden brown. My s'mores pie just came out of the oven, and it did boil over a little, so I am glad I did put mine on a baking rack. Just, you might want to do that just on top of a little cookie sheet. But this looks and smells amazing. So we got to let it cool for at least 15 minutes, and then we'll see what taste tester thinks. All right, I cut a piece of s'mores pie for taste tester. Let's see what he thinks. Hey, taste tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. That ain't really nice. Good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe.
Bye.